Alright guys, welcome to a quick video of Twisting the Risk. My boy Soka is gonna ride this thing up for the first time.
Let's see if I can do one.
I know he looks like a squid right now, but he's good. Don't make me drop the phone, because if... Ooh, fuck that.
Oh, fuck, it's
What?
scary, dude.
Oh! Alright guys, Soka just rode it up. He did a good job.
Oh, it's scary.
No, fuck that. We fucking pushed it. That shit was fucked up. He got hella scared. Alright guys, we're here in San Jose. And finally, we're bringing home the Pegasus. It's hella white. Finally bringing home B Loco's My Little Pony.
My Little Pony.
Soka bought these ramps right here. We were practicing it yesterday.
Yeah,
It didn't go too well, but he made it happen. It was all good. So I think we found out that this bike is actually lowered because it hit the bottom of the ramp right here, and his one didn't. Also, I just hit 17,000 on this bad boy. Yeah,
hella mileage.
that's the Orange Julius. So let's get this bike down, and we're gonna go ahead and give it to B Loco. Hopefully nothing happens where Soka falls.
No, guaranteed.
Guaranteed. You heard that? Shout out to Red Bull for making it happen.
No.
Look at the 808 all day sticker. I know you guys see that. This is Mr. 808 himself.
Yeah, I'm Hawaiian now.
Now, see the tribal on his arm? He's not lying. So how are you gonna do this? You gonna put it together?
I'm gonna leave space for me to walk, and then I'm just gonna.
Oh, see guys, we're about to throw a tutorial at you on how to unload.
The wrong way.
Unload the right way, the Hawaiian way. There you go. And then.
It's alright.
Shout out to B Loco. Pay attention to the front now. So this is definitely a two-man job, but Soka's a beast, just like his truck. Shout out to Lance for not being here. Because if Lance was here, he would have been on the road already. He would have drove it off without the ramp. Don't worry, B Loco. Your bike's in good hands. So, you're good. The thing started sliding, and the way to prevent that is, I know how to prevent it.
So,
U-Haul. Dang. If that thing fell, you know what would happen? You would have twisted your wrist. Oh. Alright guys, we're about to drop off B Loco's My Little Pony bike. 2008 GSXR 600. This windscreen right here is actually Orange Julius's windscreen, so we switched for the clear one for the tinted one. So it's got the clear one over there, the tinted one right here, and then probably the next time they meet, it'll be white on white. Alright guys, we finally brought home My Little Pony. Here was Orange Julius with the new owner right here. B Loco finally on the video. And this is Soka's new bike right here.
yeah, my new Harley.
It's a Harley Davidson Bolt. So we're here in San Jose. So if you're around here and you see this thing, don't mess with it. Get smoked. So you like it, man? How you liking it? He just passed his class. Tell him. Say, I just passed my class. I'm legal.
Ready to go.
But man, so let me know when you want to ride down to the valley. We'll meet up with you, huh, Soka?
Yeah.
And then we'll take him to Highway 26. This is the next guy, right? This is the next victim. What's his name? Anthony?
Anthony Mao.
Anthony. It makes you feel. It makes you feel strong, or what? It makes you feel strong. That's a Harley pose right there. All right, guys, we're gonna go on one last ride with the white Gixxer. Get something to eat before we head back home. Oh, it's Mario.
What did you do? What's up, guys?
Where you at, Lance?
I don't know.
Where's Lance at?
Lance?
Where's Lance?
I don't know where he went.
All right, guys, we just got back from our ride. Master mechanic Sokalifa is doing his ramp thing.
Where?
He's getting pretty good at it too.
Where's the master mechanic?
Right there.
Is that all?
The one with the hair. Gonna put Orange Julius on the truck.
Orange Julius.
I got a good nickname for your bike too.
No, mine's Dark Life Mine.
That's what I was gonna say.
Oh, did you?
I was gonna say BLM.
BLM.
Yeah, that's what it is. Whoa!
So mean.
Good job. That's good.
So mean.
You said it too.
Well, I can say because I am.
Oh, that's true. I guess so. But yeah, man, it was a good ride. We went. Hey, what bridge was that we went to?
I don't know what's up with today. Maybe it's too much cars. That's why it didn't look that nice.
Yeah.
Or the water was kind of dirty.
No, it wasn't even blue. What bridge was that? Was it San Mateo? Oh. So Soka did this morning. Oh. Oh. Oh shit.
I just gotta get off.
There you go. There you go. Oh man, he's getting good at that. Good job, Anthony.
Woo.
Welcome to the channel. I would have dropped that. Thank you. I would have dropped that twice. Here we have Anthony with the Yamaha Bolt. First street bike. That's baby loco. It's gonna be our first street bike. And he's been riding a Yamaha Bolt, so he's gonna end up getting a street bike for show. Hey, you look good in it, man. it's like I just watched him ride for miles today. Oh, he's gone. Later. All right, man. How'd you like riding your first street bike, bro?
Felt pretty good. I can't use that.
That means he's gonna get one. I was just telling him everyone rode this bike.
Rode that bike?
Yeah. Hey, be loco. Everyone rode your bike. I'm just letting you know.